Hey, if you have ADHD and traditional productivity advice makes you feel broken, good news, you're not the problem. The advice is. So, let's talk about why the advice fails. Most productivity systems are built for consistent linear brains. ADHD brains are interest driven and they are not priority driven. So, when somebody says, just plan your week, just stick to the schedule, just break it into small tasks, your brain goes, cool, but I feel zero dopamine, so not gonna happen. It's not laziness, it's a motivation chemistry mismatch. You don't struggle with doing the work, you struggle with starting boring work without urgency, novelty, or pressure. So, what actually works? ADHD productivity works when you design for your brain, not against it. So use urgency on purpose. Number one, timers, short deadlines, races against the clock. You don't need more time, you need more intensity. Number two, make tasks stimulating. Music, movement, standing desk, caffeine, background noise, boring task plus boring environment equals zero ignition. So make the task stimulating. Number three, work in sprints, not marathons. 20, 45 minutes of hard focus. Then reset, stop, do something else, come back. Your brain is a sprinter, it's not a tractor. Okay? And number four, lower the start bar. Don't finish the project. Don't start thinking like I have to finish this thing. Just open the document. Just write one ugly sentence. Just get it started. Action will create dopamine and not the other way around. Once you understand that, you'll get started. So, end of story. Stop trying to become a disciplined robot with your ADHD brain. It's not going to work. Start building an environment where your brain can actually fire. ADHD productivity isn't about willpower, it's about engineering momentum. And once you do that, you don't just keep up, you outperform. This is Gonzo with Rise 41 with your ADHD tip for today. I hope that helped.